Black's goal here is to live. Many moves are tempting, but they're easy to eliminate. If you play something like this, then white will just decrease black's ice base, like this. And black will be dead, even after number 6. If black tries something like this, what happens now is that, again, white can just reduce black's ice base this way, and black will fail. What about this move? Similarly, as long as white occupies this spot, it seems like black will fail. So maybe right here at 16, this is the most important point to occupy, and this is the correct first move. After this move, it should be pretty clear that black can live, because if white comes in this way, black can play here number 3, this bending move on the first line. Similarly, this bending move will also work, because number 2 is essentially trapped inside, and black will be able to capture white in a connecting die as a second VOI. And this pattern will just kind of repeat itself here. Or, of course, white can just connect here and allow black to build another eye. And playing here in the middle won't work because, once again, number 2 and 4 will just be trapped inside. Overall, not too difficult finding number 1 because most other first moves are pretty easy to eliminate. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.